Everyone, welcome back to my SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most interesting parts of SQL, the like operator. It's super useful when you want to search for specific patterns or parts of text in your data. So let's jump right in. Okay? Like always, we will use our customer table for example. Okay? Now let's see, like customer ID, we have first name, last name, age, and country. Okay, now let's see how we can use the like operator to search for names or patterns. Okay, the like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specific pattern. Okay, in a column. Okay, it is mostly used with two special symbols called wildcards. That is, one is percentage, which represents the zero or more characters. Okay, and one more is hyphen, which represents the exactly the one character. So let's find, let's go to each and every examples and let's see. Okay, let's find all the customers whose first name starts with letter J. I have written the query here. So that is select first name country from the table customers where first name like J percentage, which means that it should start from J. Okay, because the percentage means any number of character after the J. So I will execute this one. Okay, so this will match, right? J. We got USA, John, John. Two Johns are there, which start from J. Got it? And let's go to the second example. So, what if we want all the names ending with T? So, how can we write this one? Select the first name, okay? And from the customers table, where first name, like how we can write here? Percentage J. Let me execute. Okay, we don't have, but yeah, we'll take the T. Robert, right? So this will match the names like Robert because it is ending with T. Got it? Okay. For the next scenario, like to find the names that contains the letter T anywhere. Okay, it is not like ending with T, but anywhere in the name. Okay, how can we write this one? Select first name from the customers table where first name like here we mentioned T between. Okay, percentage T and percentage. Okay, this will return any name that has T in it, like Robert and Betty. It contains T. Okay, let's go to the another scenario. If you want to match only one character, then what we have to do is like we have to use the underscore symbol. Okay, like for example, select first name from the customer name, sorry, from the customers table where first name like, how can we write is this? Underscore AVID. Okay, so this matches five letter name where the last four letters are AVID. So it will find David. The underscore represent exactly one unknown character, while percentage can represent many. Okay, Got it? So now it's your turn. Try writing a query, okay, to find customers whose last name ends with A and are from USA. Okay, the hint which I can give is use the percentage A with the like operators and with the country conditions. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. You just learned how to use the like operator with a wildcard, percentage, and underscore to search patterns in SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next video. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.